Alright everyone, today's an interesting day. It's the day I pulled my truck out of the garage after 8 months, so I could back it in instead of pulling in forward, so I can go ahead and finish all the rust repair that I've been trying to tackle. Now it's been I don't know, 3-4 months since I've touched it, and I'm gonna go ahead and blatantly blame the hunting season for that. Maybe place one of the rear channels here in the frame. I'm gonna do the other, and I gotta tackle these giant holes in here. So this is it's a bit of a project. Truck is really good mechanically, everything's been sorted. I've been trying to get rid of the rust, and it's a lot of work to say the least. Anyway, it hasn't been started in a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. That's my seat right there. It's an aluminum box. It's a mess in here, obviously, because I'm working on it. Let's see if it goes. Alright, so I've been having some trouble with this GoPro I just got, but like I said, we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. It sat for, I want to say, about 7-8 months. I don't foresee any issues because, like I said, this truck is mechanically pretty sound. I've sorted everything out in the past. We're just trying to get rid of all the rust. There she goes. He's a real good runner, man. Sounds so good. Alright, so the idea is to back it in the garage, which I'll do in a couple of seconds now. Oh, I mean minutes. This section here needs to be cut out entirely. Instead of patching it, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my spare parts truck there. When the truck is finished, I'll take it to a buddy of mine, and he's gonna give it a full coat of paint, make it nice and pretty and pleasant to look at again. We got good oil pressure there. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Jeez.